Hi everyone and welcome to my channel. My name is Anna. I'll be your guide into the world of the Russian language. Today, we're learning the most important Russian questions. Words like who, where, when, how, why. Once you know these, you can start real conversations in Russian. Кто? Who? Что? What? Где? Where? Куда? It's like to where. Когда? When? Почему? Why? Как? How? These 7 words cover almost every simple question in Russian. Let's start with the easiest ones. Who and what? Кто это? Who's this? Кто там? Who's there? Что это? What's this? Что случилось? What happened? Где? Where? Где ты? Where are you? Где метро? Where is the subway? Куда is also where, but this one is used to ask for destination. Куда ты? Where are you going? Yes, the word куда implies moving. Куда идти? Where should I go? Куда смотреть? Where should I look? Когда? When? Когда встреча? When is the meeting? Когда урок? When is the lesson? Когда Новый год? When is New Year? Почему? Why? Почему молчишь? Why are you silent? Почему так дорого? Why is it so expensive? Почему ты здесь? Why are you here? Как? How? Как ты? How are you? Как тебя зовут? What is your name? But if we translate it literally, it will be how do others call you? So, как тебя зовут? Как сказать что-то по-русски? How to say something in Russian. Let's practice. Which question words will you need in these cases? Put a tick for any correct answer you've got and then write in the comments how many ticks you have. Где? Когда? Что? Кто? Почему? Okay, that's it for today. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and I'll see you in my next video.